You eat the best ones, you know? Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in my hometown of Miami, Florida. And today I'm headed to the Miami Cuban Sandwich Smackdown. At this festival, we decide who makes the best Cuban sandwich in the city. If you didn't know, Miami has a huge Cuban American community and we have some of the best Cuban fare in the world. I have the honor to be one of the VIP judges to help decide whose Cuban sandwich is the best. This is the qualifier for the bigger Cuban sandwich competition in Tampa, Florida. So what makes a Cuban sandwich? Basically it's Cuban bread, sweet ham, mojo marinated roasted pork, pickles, Swiss cheese, mustard, and sometimes Genoa salami. As a judge, I'll be sampling a small piece of everyone's entry. I'm super hungry. I cannot wait to start eating some delicious Cuban sandwiches. Let's get to the festival. Lots of vendors. Listo, what's up, bro? You're back, you're back.
Welcome to Calle Ocho.
Thanks, dude, thanks. So right here we have the best flan, right? Best flan in the world? Oh man. Flan is favorite Latin American dessert. Right here we have the café con leche, look at that. Let me get in there, let me get in there. It's that good, it's that good. Oh man. So basically, there's a lot of vendors here, a lot of Latin American food, got Mexican food, Peruvian food, I mean everything. I'm trying to find the VIP section, which I think is right here. And then we're gonna sit down and try all the different Cuban sandwiches. Hi.
David.
David.
Nice to meet
Pleasure.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for coming.
Here we
Here's your
go.
packet.
Awesome. It was great. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Perfect.
The instructions and the judging form is right there.
Oh, so an apron? Nice. So now it's official. And next time you're in Miami, definitely come here. I can't wait to try some food. They better hurry up, I'm starving, dude. I like it, I like it. So contestant number one, here we go. Traditional, we got pork, cheese, pickles.
So right now we're
This is awesome. See, I guess I'm still hungry right now. I have to see what else is happening here.
That was amazing. I can't wait for more. There's about 10, so you have to leave space for it.
Small bites, small bites.
Small bite.
What's your name?
Sabrina,
David.
nice to meet you.
Alright, they're coming fast. So this is number 2, traditional. This one looks amazing. It's a little different. The bread looks like it was a little toasted more. Maybe some more butter.
I'm not enjoying it.
I was going to be a food critic.
Oh wow. The pork here is amazing.
Everything was good except the presentation. Numbers scoring from 1 to 10,
my God.
and then the comments.
It's gonna be hard. I don't know. I want to keep going. I'm starving. I like the ham. Oh, I'm already getting full. The sandwich fills you up really quick. Oh my God.
Lots of bread, lots of carbs.
Number 3, traditional. This is the most traditional. Mustard and butter. Ham is a little different. The bread is delicious. I need to slow down. There's only 3. My God. Flan. I had this earlier. Café con leche. Flan, café con leche. Wow, hacía rico eso. Original
Just got my
flan.
face on video.
Definitely a palate cleanser.
Mango one.
Sandwich.
This is the mango one. I didn't try this one earlier. That was amazing. I love
It was
mango though.
amazing.
I love mango. I have mango trees.
Oh.
So that was number 4. I think I got a 10 for presentation. Oh, good. All right, number 4. Looks pretty good. Nice presentation. They changed it up a little bit on this one. Yeah, this one, bomb. Like the mustard. Pickle's great.
David, this is awesome. He's a Cuban travel vlogger, and we're on sandwich number 4.
Let's get it done.
Still have 6 more to go. I don't know how I'm doing this, guys.
You eat the best ones, you know? So that's the first non-traditional Cuban sandwich we're gonna try. It looks delicious. It's like a little bite. I need 2 of those. Yeah, because I think we only have like 4 more, and if it's like that, we need more. Here we have the first non-traditional Cuban sandwich. You can see it's like a little biscuit slider with pork, tomatoes. I think it's alioli. Oh my God. my favorite. I love the avocado and this like biscuit type of bread. It's so small though. Then we need some more. Number 6. This pork right here looks incredible. And what I love about it is that the pork feels like it's like been on the barbecue or it's been like slow cooked. This is great. 9.
You actually have a good taste, but mine was worse.
So this is number 7, and it's the second non-traditional, correct? Yeah. Ooh, this looks so good. I feel like I just gotta put it all in my mouth. Well, no, I'll take bites. So I got Chipotle sauce. Not too spicy. This is one of my favorites. I thought I was gonna get really full really fast. I'm good, I'm good.
Yeah.
I skipped.
Yes, you have to skip number 5 and number 7.
So here we have number 8, the last one. This is non-traditional. Look at this beast. I think they put like some caramelized onion or something, right? I mean, I like the onion, so I don't like the bread too much. I'm gonna rate that one a little low, unfortunately for that guy. We're done. So that was it. We tried 8 Cuban sandwiches, traditional, non-traditional. I loved all of them. My favorite though was number 10. That was non-traditional. It was amazing. I think that Chipotle sauce was just out of this freaking world. So good.
We are going to tally up now, and around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock is going to be announced in the front stage as well of who won the traditional, non-traditional, and the different categories that we went for.
But now I'm gonna walk around and get some shots here of the festival. There's a lot more food, so I'm gonna see if I like anything. If I do, I'm gonna eat some more. Still very early, and it's bumping now. They say like 25,000 people here. I don't know, it's getting crowded. Let's see.
My name is Victor Padilla. I am the co-founder, co-creator of the International Cuban Sandwich Festival. We started back in May 26, 2012 in Ybor City, Centennial Park. It is spread now in the 7 years that we've been doing this. We are also doing preliminary Smackdowns in Kissimmee, Orlando, and we're doing it with Calle Ocho, at Calle Ocho, every year now. And we're also going to be preparing to do it out of state by next year. Each contestant has their own little secret, either a little bit of secret, it's the butter or the mustard or the pickles. They get to come to eat all kinds of variety of food. This year, of course, we're here at Calle Ocho right now in Miami, which is a huge, one of the biggest Hispanic Latino events. Now, really one of the hugest events in the U.S. And we've been doing it now for 2 years with them, 4 years in Miami. So people can come here as VIPs and they can actually taste the same Cuban sandwiches that are being judged by the judges. We have a variety of different food vendors. We have live entertainment. We have Kids Zone, and it's pretty much it's a community event. We don't charge. We want the community to benefit and our vendors to benefit. So you can come and expect to eat any and all type of Cuban sandwiches. So the fun thing and the best thing is you can go. You can go and you can go from one to the other and stop when you're full. When you're full, you can't go no more.
As you guys can see, there's so many different vendors here. We got tacos, we have ceviche, we have pupusas, arepas. I mean, easily like 100,000 people here. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm exaggerating. There's a lot of people, lots of different foods. Oh my God, this place is, it's getting a little too crowded for me. And to wake up, I'm gonna have myself a quick Cuban coffee. I asked her for a regular Cuban coffee, she gave me a colada, which is a full thing. This is liquid crack, it's gonna get me back up. Woo! Oh, it's so good though.
Popular vote, Bella de Cuba, Bella de Cuba. So we are a family-owned and run Cuban restaurant in Miami Beach, Florida, and we're one of the oldest Cuban restaurants in Miami Beach. So we're very, very grateful to be here and for the opportunity, and we definitely look forward to participating next year.
So that's it. I'm done with the festival. The Miami Cuban Sandwich Smackdown was incredible. Oh, so many good Cuban sandwiches. And if you don't want Cuban sandwich, you can go and eat so many different things. This is the capital of Latin America. We have every nation here, from Honduran, we got Argentinian, we have Mexican, we have Peruvian, so many different delicious things to eat. So if you don't want Cuban, you can try anything else. I thought I was hungry, but I'm actually really full, and that coffee got me electric. There's so many people right now. It's easily like, I don't know, at least 10,000 people in that crowd on Calle Ocho. You can't even walk anymore. So guys, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you on the next adventure.